In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wix dynamic pages using CMS. This is a great way to enhance your site's functionality, especially if you're looking to display varied content dynamically. Whether you're an experienced web designer or just starting out, these steps will guide you through the process easily and effectively. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where you'll have access to all the tools you need to build and customize your website. Once you're there, take a look at the options on the left side of the screen. You'll want to locate and click on the area labeled CMS. This is the Content Management System section of Wix, where you can manage your site's content collections. Think of it as the heart of your dynamic content strategy. Next, within the CMS section, you'll see an option called Your Collections. Click on this to view the various collections that you've previously set up, or to create those you'll need for your dynamic pages. If you're unsure about what a collection is, it's essentially a database that stores your content, such as blog posts, product details, or services. After clicking on Your Collections, a list will appear. Choose the specific collection you'd like to work with for your dynamic page. If you have multiple collections, carefully determine which one aligns with the content that you want presented on this page. Once you have your collection selected, look for a small icon that appears as 3 dots. This is often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on these dots and you should see the option to Add Dynamic Page. Selecting Add Dynamic Page allows you to start setting up a new page that will display items from your collection. A prompt will then request you to choose a dynamic page template. Take a moment to explore the template options, each tailored for different types of content. Pick the one that fits the specific layout and design you envision. After selecting your template, click on Add to Site. This will generate your dynamic page, pulling information directly from your collection. It's at this point you can begin customizing how this data is displayed. Now, focusing on the design, click on Text to add or modify text elements on your dynamic page. Ensure that each text field connects to a particular item in your collection by selecting the appropriate option under the Connects to section. Additionally, consider the visual aspects by choosing a text color that connects to your brand or page design. This ensures your dynamic page remains visually cohesive with the rest of your website. Finally, before you publish, always click on Preview. This step is crucial as it allows you to see exactly how the content will appear when viewed by your audience. Take this opportunity to make any necessary adjustments and ensure everything looks good. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to create a dynamic page using Wix CMS effectively. Thanks for watching and happy creating!